spring, which means time to do some festive eye looks. I say as I use black, but I really feel like using some black today. And you will soon see why, because I have a master plan of a look planned. Probably pretty obvious that I am just spouting nonsense at this point, but I do promise that we're gonna turn this into something quite lovely. Does it look insane? Quite possibly, but fear not, because we will in fact make it less of a disaster somehow. Trust. Now's the very fun part of sort of blending this burgundy and brown together, which isn't all that interesting to watch, so I'm gonna skip it because I'm so nice to you. Okay, I'm back and I'm possibly looking even more deranged, but we're gonna make it less so, I think, maybe. Let's hope by adding some orange underneath these little lines that we made over here. I'm gonna take a sort of orangey glitter, put that on the top, both little cutout things, something to this effect, and then just refill it in the black so that it's nice and crisp. Cutting the crease with some glitter glue. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I give you the sun. I know it looks like it wouldn't be a great shade, but look how peachy and nice that is. Only one shimmer's boring, so let's do something else, shall we? Oh yes, look at that. Time to clean up. I don't know exactly what I was thinking, but I don't know. Trust the process. Done a little bit of my base, so we're gonna now go back to the eye and finish it off. And I think I want to have this sort of holographic color and a bit of glitter, because you can never really have too much, but also it is sort of blended these two bits together. It's actually almost insane how well that worked. I'm pretty happy with that blend, but if you are not, you can always go in again with a very light touch and just... Now it's just for the finishing touches, lashes, blah blah blah. You don't want to see that. BRB. I absolutely never doubted that I would slay. I totally trusted the process.